Hello, mga kababayan, mga kaibigan. I just finished talking to a good friend of mine, Sisterhood Extravaganza founder, our sister, Pat Gillam, and we were talking about what we can do this time to spread positivity instead of fear, but love, which can really contain this coronavirus. So I thought, maybe even just doing something good for our neighbor. This coronavirus has taught us so much that what is most important, we need love, we need connection, we need reconnection with our neighbor, with our friends, and the people around us. I told you earlier, we don't really need to panic buy and stock on so many things. If we and our neighbors are in sync with one another, if our neighbors, we can know that they can give us soy sauce or oil or salt or sugar or rice when we need them. Wait a second. I'm actually maraming langgam. I have a lot of ants in my in my ground right now, and we were talking about even just giving something to our neighbor. It will return back 1,000 times. Today I gave something to a friend because I have extra food, and the friend who picked up the food even gave me a box or a case of water, which I never even expect. So and I'm running on water, and so I thought, as I was telling Pat, even just to the point of giving our neighbor lemon. And now I remember I promised my neighbor, which is my new neighbor right there. I finally got a new neighbor. I mean, the house is finally sold and a new couple is there. So I'm going to give them some lemon kasi I did not cook. And so I want to share with you, really sharing what we have. It's not, at this time, kahit nga toilet paper is very important to give to our neighbor and our friends. Sabi nga ni Kim Evans, the true friend can now be tested if they can give you toilet paper. That's how low we become. But I was mainit eh. So I'm trying to hide from the sun. I have a lot of lemons, which is good because this lemon can be a disinfectant. So if any one of you needs some lemon, I can share some. Sabi ni Sheila, you're an awesome human. Thank you so much, Sheila. This is what we need to do. We need to combat this coronavirus. If coronavirus is taking lives, what we should do is to give love. We cannot, I know it's a really scary time, but I think if we become more giving, more sharing is happening. I'm going down so I can get the lemons in my backyard. Oops. Mag-rotate daw. Now, so I am sharing with you the lemons. So look at that. Ang laki. Hindi masyadong malaki compared, malaki pa yung mukha ko eh. So I'm going to share this lemon to my neighbor, my new neighbor. So we can share something. Parang gift sa kanyang bagong neighbor. It's a nice thing to meet them. Luckily last time we meet them and I told her I'm going to give them something if I cook. But I did not cook this week. My children and my husband had been cooking. So I decided, no, I'll let them cook and save the food. I'll cook later. Ayan. Look at this beautiful lemon. Ayan. I love you. 3-in-1. Ate Maribik Bustamante says, thanks for sharing always. Oh, thank you, Ate. Yeah, I think this is the thing we need to do. Spread positivity at this time where people are confused, where people are in fear. And that's the only way to combat this coronavirus. Kaya, why not? I think this is good enough. Right? Pag masyadong marami, masisira lang eh. Don't you think this is a good gift? So, I'm sharing not to brag, but to spread positivity at this time. It is the only way we can control fear. Love and sharing is what can stop the panic buying. So if you have extra in your home, tell people what you can share or offer people. Sometimes, as I said, people are shy to ask. But if you offer, who would say no at this time? So, eto na, Maria went to town. Puntahan ko yung neighbor ko. So, ayan yung bahay nila. I have a very, very good neighbor. And I hope I will, when I told her I make pancit, she was so happy. But this time I'm not making pancit. I'll go just bring lemon. As I said, this is a new neighbor. And my very good neighbor, I always share pancit or whatever. Is the neighbor right there, Ginny. We share and exchange plates every time. And anytime you give someone, they always give you back more than you gave. As I told you, I gave one pancit plate. She gave me 2 rolls of toilet paper. So, give and you shall receive. So, let's keep giving, let's keep sharing, and the world will be a better place after this coronavirus. Because now we will learn a new way of living, a new way of life. Is what giving is what would be the new way of life. Giving and sharing. That would be better than hoarding, panicking, and buying stuff that we really don't need. See, coronavirus gave us an opportunity that what is most important. Imagine, toilet paper becomes very important at this time. So, and much more, love. Let's bring love than fear and hate. That is what can kill this virus. And I'm sure God will love to see every one of His children and all His creation to be more giving and more positive, thinking about God first, our family, our society, the world in general will be changing because of this coronavirus. If we put that in our heart, and it will be a lesson for all of us. Maraming salamat po. It's a happy Monday. I'm going to bed soon because I'm going to work tonight. So thank you so much. Sabi ni Lindsay Manchuya, there's really no reason to be selfish and unkind ever. You're awesome, ate. You too. And let's continue to share positivity, love, and sharing. So if you need anything, post what you need, and maybe somebody else who has that near you can give it to you. That's what we need to do at this time. Let's not share the virus, but instead love virus is what can kill this coronavirus. Let's take out the crown from hatred and selfishness, but give back to God that love, understanding, and sharing for one another. Maraming salamat po, and to all of you who are recuperating from this coronavirus, please take care and we pray for you. And God bless you. Bye-bye.